Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering what Akshar requires. This saves time when you start the form. Have your current passport, a clear ID photocopy, one passport photo, proof of address, and your Akshar login ready. Once done, log in and choose Passport Update. This links your record to the application. Make sure to note the reference number and payment method, because you will need them immediately during the next steps to validate identity and confirm fee payment. You now complete the Akshar update form step by step. Accuracy matters. Enter name, DOB, and personal data exactly as shown on the passport, because mismatches cause delays. Upload the scanned ID and photo, and confirm file type and size limits so uploads succeed. Once uploaded, pay the fee and carefully review the summary before you submit. After submission, Akshar runs digital verification. This is why you finish by downloading the receipt and tracking ID, then watch Akshar notifications for a biometric or document verification request. If an appointment is scheduled, attend with originals because physical checks close the loop. Once processed, your updated passport is dispatched or ready for pickup. Track it with the ID. If anything goes wrong, try clearing browser cache and re-uploading files, or contact Akshar support with your reference number. That's the fastest way to resolve common upload or verification errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.